Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record screen on the device. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the screen recorder toggle, which is for me right over here. And before you start recording, you might want to hold it, and this will take us to the page where we have normally recorded footage, but also allows us to go into the settings right over here and change a couple things. So resolution I would keep at the highest one as it is right now. Video quality I would go to maybe like 32. The higher you go, also the more space it will take on your device per minute. Then orientation I would keep the default, which is the auto. Then sound source, choose whichever one you want. You have choice between system and microphone. So if you want to record yourself talking, then you will choose mic. If you want to record the app that you're going to be running or something like that, then stick with the sound. And then you also have the frame rate right here, and I'll stick to 30. It's kind of a shame that it can't go to 60, but still it's going to be better than the 24, so go with the 30. And from there we can basically leave this. And so I go, again, pull down the notification panel, and from here simply tap on a toggle. It automatically starts recording whatever you're going to be doing. So I'm kind of just flipping stuff over around here just so there is something being recorded. And once you're done, you can tap on this, tap on the red square, it gets saved, and now you can find it in toggle when you hold it. It's right over here. So let's tap on it and it will start playing it. Let's allow, and there we go. You can see it's playing right now, and everything else just kind of moving around was being recorded. And that is basically how you would record this screen. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.